Hi, good evening, everyone. So we're here in Budapest, and I found the two circles up here, green, and we refer to them sometimes as lens, I guess, reflections. This time I'm not going to do that because it's dark out. I don't know how they can be a reflection, but I did want to just share that before I go on to the next stop. But yeah, quick share. Two green spots in the sky. See you soon. And they're back. And here we are. It's amazing. Our flying little creatures. We'll only tape them for a few minutes, just so you can see them. They are back. So, Zuma is where we're at, and it's pretty active tonight. So, I'm just doing a quick share. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that something? We're going to go around and collect some strangeness tonight. Anything that stands out odd. Oh, like this. Alright, we're going to take off. Like I said, it's a quick share. Let's go over a little bit. Go up a little bit. I didn't look for orbs yet. Wow. Alright. I'll see you on the next stop. If I see any orbs, I'll pop a few in. Wow. I'll never understand this. Whatever it is. Never understand it. Whoa. Okay, we better get out of here now. And for the record, I really don't know what this is, so. Okay. See you soon. I was hoping one of those saw ones would come through with the teeth on each side, you know? Okay. So we got a little surprise here last night. I decided to come back and see before it gets dark what we can catch in the sky in the light. And these are the things we look for. Now look at that. What is that? What is that? Whatever it is, it's dissipating up here. Okay, this is absolutely interesting. And this is through the sky. And you can't have power lines that high up. Unless I'm just a fool, and you can. But I don't think they're power lines. Especially up that high. This is a creation of something. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, well, well. That explains a lot. Something tells me it's going to be a jiggy night here tonight. Okay, I'm going to pull back and see if we can see this. I mean, I could be very wrong. Double lines going across. Double, double, double. And here's the top of a power line. So that's as tall as... Is that the top of one? Am I missing something? Does Missouri have power lines that high up in the sky? I mean, power lines are down here. This doesn't, and these disappear, so they're not power lines, and they're way up too high. And that might be off that building. That's what it is. Okay. I've been to this arch many times. I've never seen those. So let's get back in real quick. Double lines. And these are all broken up into like bead looking things, strands of beads. See? They're not even full-fledged lines anymore. Well, I guess we did find something odd now, didn't we? That's unusual. Yeah. Little balls, little circles. Yeah, that figures. Okay. If I'm seeing this wrong, someone tell me. All double lines. They're not spaced. Like, those are closer, those are further apart. That's in between these sides, you know, the distances. It could be me. I could be wrong. They could have... I don't know what this is. So, I know I have a sub from Missouri. Please tell me. Are these supposed to be here, or... Am I a fool? I mean, what is going on here? Am I making something out of nothing? I don't remember seeing those lines there behind this before. Do you guys run your lines up that high? I mean, that's up in the sky. This one's disappearing. So, I mean, they can't be lines. I'm going to go see if I can check another cam. I'll be back. There's 3 of them that go to this place. I got to check the others. Okay, we're on a panorama. I don't see any lines. I'm not facing that part of the city, but this might be part of the city, and behind is what we were looking at. I don't see anything like that, so... Okay. I just answered my question. And this is a still, so it's a different time of day also. But it's clearly, you can see, there are no lines. Okay, so I'm back here. The lines are falling apart. They're dissipating. Top one's already gone. This one's leaving. Got more sets. Yep. Falling apart. Whatever it is. Alright, I'm going to come back here tonight and check it out. This is where we got that disappearing object last night on the previous video. So, I'm interested big time. Alright, I just saw something right here. Yeah, those aren't lines. Alright, I'll be back after. Stone Kingdom. Stone, let me know if those belong here, will you? You would know. This is your neck of the woods. So, let me know. I'm going to be coming back here later on. This thing has got my attention fully now. I've not ever seen anything like that before. Alright. Thanks, buddy.